In last lecture, we discussed what is receptors. This is the morphology of leech. Then we will study suckers. Each end of the body of leech bears a hollow muscular organ, the sucker. Each end of the body of leech bears hollow muscular organ, means starting regions at the site of start region and at the end side they contain hollow muscular organ which is called as the sucker. The anterior cephalic or oral sucker is formed by the fusion of prosteum. The anterior cephalic or oral suckers means at the site of mouth side is formed by the fusion of prostomium, which is also called mouth, and first three segments. It is oval in shape and contains a cup-like depression called preoral chamber. Preoral chamber is formed by the fusion of prosteum, means mouth, and first three segments, and it is oval in shape and contains a cup-like depression, and anterior cephalic or oral sucker is known as preoral chamber. On the ventral side, the posterior or anal sucker is formed by fusion of last 7 body segments. Posterior sides on which fusion of last 7 body segments occurs and they form anal suckers. It is circular and disc-like. Anterior sucker is oval in shape and contains cup-like depression, and compared to that, posterior suckers is circular and disc-like. It is highly muscular. Posterior sucker is better developed and larger in size than the anterior sucker. Both the suckers helps the leech in addictions, that is attachments and locomotion. Suckers is helps for sucking the bloods, so it is helps for attachment and locomotion. The anterior sucker is also used in sucking blood. Anterior suckers, which is present at the region of mouth sides, is also used in sucking blood of hose during feeding of leech. Then next, eyes. On the dorsal side are 5 pairs of eyes, 1 pair in each of the first and second segments. On the dorsal side, they contain 5 pairs of eyes, 1 pair in each of the first and second segments. First and second segments वर 1 pair असते आईसची and 1 pair on the first annulus of the segments and 1 pair on the first annulus segments. 2 pairs are completed and third, fourth and fifth. Third, fourth and fifth. Then external apertures. The mouth is a narrow triradiate aperture opening in the preoral chamber of the anterior sucker. Mouth is a narrow triradiate aperture opening in the preoral chamber of the anterior suckers, means they open at the site of anterior region or cephalic region. The anus is small aperture opening in mid-dorsally on the 26th segment at the base of the posterior sucker. Anus present at the side of posterior side. Small aperture opening mid-dorsally on 26th segment at the base of the posterior sucker. Anus were present on the 26th segment. Then the nephridia open to the exterior by 17 pairs of nephridiopores. What is meant by nephridia? When we studied general characteristics of annelida, then we will discuss what is nephridia. Nephridia means it's tube-like opening at the exterior region, which is helps for respiration. Nephridia open to the exterior by 17 pairs of nephridiopores, of which 1 pair lies ventrally on the last annulus of each of the segment from 6 to 22. The male genital pore, this is a reproductive character. The male genital pore is a mid-ventral opening situated in a groove between the second and third annuli of the tenth somite. A filamentous penis is sometimes seen protruding through this aperture. Male genital pores is a mid-ventral opening situated. Where it is situated? Situated in a groove between the second and third annuli of the 10 somites. A filamentous penis is sometimes seen protruding through this aperture. The female genital pore lies mid-ventrally in between the second and third annuli of the 11 somite. This is the external features of leech.